Reputed. Can you make my child enroll in a reputed school? Hmm.
Reputed school, and he told me no, I can't because of my job. If I do this work, so everyone tell me that please, everyone do this work, everyone
Everyone
do
will
this
start.
work. Start.
Everyone will start it. Hmm.
Everyone will start this. So, and mm, that year was last year. he he wanted, no, मतलब वो रिटायर होने वाले थे.
Okay, to he was about
Retire.
to get retired. He was about to get
Hmm.
retired.
He was about to retire, retire, and he didn't want to, um, didn't want to do like this type of work, because the reputation is go down. मैं इस यही बोलेंगे ना, the reputation will go down,
The reputation might decline or might diminish.
might decline, might decline. So that's why he denied me, and
Hmm.
I didn't take the admission in Bhopal school.
Look, these are the live examples
He is
people are
absolutely
coming
right
with.
because it is also happened with me.
How? I really want
Ma'am,
to
I told that
know.
Neetu ji is absolutely right because it is also happened with me.
Okay.
I
May I
told
know how?
Abhi, I told that we also quit Sanvi from digital buy now because
Right. Kabir.
everybody told that you promote your daughter, but
Hmm.
he he she took part in narrate story, and uh, she got the second position in that competition, and she won
Okay.
3,000 rupees check.
Wow. Wow, excellent, huh?
But
Ma'am,
after
my
that,
elder uncle,
everybody told that so we quit her, and she told me, Mama, because of bhai, I quit. I don't like this.
Right. But yes, then again, you are very right here that the favorism that is going on. Not exactly the favorism, but yes, it somewhere declines the reputation. The way Neetaji has said, the point was appropriate here. Right.
ma'am, my elder uncle was also professor in Barkatullah University in Bhopal. So
Okay.
he never helped for his son.
This
He
happens.
he always,
Sometimes they are not ready to give the favorism, yes. And there are
yes.
people like that who are trying to do something better, and just because of that, that line was very right. Because of few political leaders, that entire system is suffering.
And because of children also learn that my father didn't do this, so I have to
Ha,
work my own.
ha, right. Eventually, yes. Absolutely right. Okay, I wanted to share something to all of you. Uh, Neetaji, please try to explain this to Geetaji also later on, okay? I have
Yes, ma'am.
talked to 8 to 9 group. What I want is there should be a merging class. It won't be taken, it's not going to happen on weekend, definitely. Okay. But it will
Hmm.
be taken place on weekdays only, Monday to Friday. के बीच में, I'm just thinking that. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Because there should be a collaborative class that I'll talk to sir. Okay. But I want to explain you all what exactly my motto is. The way I have done the previous class also, if you do remember, there was a collaborative
Yes.
class and if people were able to express yourself in front of the strangers, right? So 8 to 9 batch students are really eager for that class and want to ask you all that would you like to go for it and please tell your comfortable timing so that I can explain it to others also because on weekend I
Ma'am,
don't want
time.
to.
We have
I'm asking
see,
for the most
time.
comfortable timings. Huh. Because
Ma'am,
I think
time
it
is
would be
this
around
this
one and a
time is
half hour or
comfortable
2 hours.
for
Because now,
one and
so
half hour.
seven people would be, because seven people would be there. Three from that group, okay, and four from this group. And even if I'm going to go for the minimum one, for example, one or two students are not going to connect, so minimum 5 to 6 people would be there, right? Students would be there. Five. I'm actually taking it for an election. So I really want all of you to contribute there. Okay, Anita ji, this is an important
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
So would you
Okay,
like to go
ma'am.
for it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this class for
Yes.
only 2 days.
Yes, ma'am.
They just for one day, just for one day. Your expression,
For 1 day.
your expressiveness, or how are you
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to express yourself in front of the strangers? Okay, so this is
Yes,
my
Ma'am,
ma'am.
question.
We enjoyed last
which
time.
day
Huh.
which day you will conduct this class?
I am thinking to conduct it either on Thursday or Friday next week.
Okay.
Okay,
Thursday or
ma'am.
Let
Friday.
me know if you people are okay with that. Then only I'll
Ma'am,
proceed with the
this
procedure.
and any day you can conduct. Any day, but time should be this 12 to 1:30.
12 around. Oh, okay. And Nita ji,
Hmm.
what time is comfortable to you?
Ma'am, I don't say because I don't know when I will free.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. But even if you people would be able to take the class for half an hour, for 45 minutes, just do let me know what I'll do. I'll ask you to go for it first and then the other students, okay? You can
Yes,
start the class.
ma'am. Hmm.
So,
Ma'am, I am comfortable with this timing and 2 to 5 noon.
okay,
Yes, ma'am. I
fine.
also 2 to 5 is also comfortable for me.
Because you know what? The few people can sacrifice our sleep for that. I agree with you all.
2 to 5
That is
is,
our
ma'am,
rest
2 to
time.
5 is
Though that is our rest time, but we are ready to sacrifice that.
2 to 5 is not comfortable for me because I have another class for 3:45 to 4:45.
Can you arrange
3:45
it
to
for me?
4:45 है ना?
So I have not talked to them yet. Okay.
Hmm.
So let me talk to them and let me come to this conclusion that what would be the common timing for all of you. Okay. And please try to
Ma'am,
adjust that time.
we can do 2 p.m. for 3:30. 2 to 3:30. After
And
Yeah,
we
please
yeah.
be
can
It's
I can
okay.
also.
the time should be something like that. It should be comfortable for all of you. So let me have a
Comfortable, yes, ma'am.
conversation
Hmm.
with them also, okay? And then I come to
Yes,
this
ma'am.
because yes, I'm not able to understand that how are you going to. That class was really very important. The way we have done the last class, people have openly and openly expressed yourself, and I really want that class to happen because this time the students are different. Digesh is, I guess he is busy nowadays, but this time we have three new more students. So I guess they'll be able to. Let me see that are they free or not. Okay. So they are asking me for 3 days. I forget to talk to you all. They're asking me for 3 days that, ma'am, have you arranged that class? We really want to have. And after today's class, the way you people have expressed about this topic, I am very sure that you people are going to nail it. So I'm very much ready. I was not expecting that this sort of debate or discussion can be turned out this the way you people have taken part because they were not able to express themselves in this way, the way you people have expressed. The matter that you have, the content that you have shared. So pat yourself today. All of you.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let us do few confusing sentences, a few of them, like translation of Hindi to English. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is good. Okay. वो हमेशा अपनी चलाता है.
He always चलाता है का क्या होगा? He always run himself.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
he always behave like a dictator.
हाँ, that can be used. Yes. that can be used. And in a simpler term, we can say he always has his way. He always has
Yes,
his way.
he always has his way. Okay.
His way.
His way. His way. वो घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा है.
घोड़े बेच के सो रहा. This is a, I think this is a idiom or phrase.
हाँ, this is somewhere an idiom, yes. But simpler term can be used. A simple sentence is used. That is, he is having
सो
a
रहा है.
sound
He is
sleep.
he is
He is
sleeping.
having a, हाँ, he is sleeping. वो तो हो
He
गया सो रहा है. But
he
yes, yes, yes. I'm getting.
he takes sound sleep.
हाँ, yes, yes, absolutely right. He is having a sound sleep.
He's
He is
टेक्स हो
having
जाएगा कि
sound
वो
sleep.
एक ऐसे सोता है और अभी सो रहा है means he is having. We can use it. Depends upon the situation. He is having a sound sleep.
Mom, he is sleeping like a Kumbhakaran.
Now there is no translation of that, so we are not going to translate it. Absolutely right. Okay. तुम मेरे क्या लगते हो?
Who are you, mine?
मेरे ना.
No, तुम मेरे क्या लगते हो?
It is who are you to me? Who are you to me?
Who are
Who
you?
are you to me?
In Hindi movie, we often heard this sentence. "ना, तुम मेरे क्या लगते
हाँ,
हो?"
हाँ, absolutely right. Right. These people do not get offended with the second one, the next sentence, the first sentence, okay? मेरा बस चले, sorry, अगर मेरा बस चले तो तुम्हें गोली मार दूं. Do not get offended, please. Shall I repeat it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no need.
Oh my God.
I will. I try. I will try.
हाँ, sure.
If I am in my way, I will shoot you. I would shoot you.
हाँ, you are very close. Yes. I would shoot you if I had my way.
If I had my.
I would shoot you if I had my way. Or you can even use the way Namitaji has said, if I had my way, I would shoot you. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं.
हाँ, वो मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं.
I feel greedy.
I feel greedy.
हाँ, yes. Not greedy, giddy. G-I-D-D-Y.
Giddy.
I'm feeling giddy.
Giddy.
हाँ,
Our last
G-I-D-D-Y.
teacher.
अच्छा, okay. She told you about it.
He also gave us this type of sentence,
Giddy.
typical sentence. Like वो दर्द से करा रहा है.
हाँ, right. I think these sentences are very interesting in Hindi. Huh? I think when they are turned into or translated into English, their entire value is gone.
Ma'am,
They
this
really look good.
sentence I remember because she always learn 2 to 3 times.
No. Okay, she made you learn twice or thrice.
Yes.
Hmm. Actually, one thing you can do, that is a good thing that you have actually made me remind you, people can frame the sentences with these. If you're going to get 4 or 5 things, you can frame the sentences. It is going to help you a lot. in using it later on. Okay. Though they themselves, it shows that they are the sentences, but still, people can frame a lengthier sentence with that. So, lamba sentence
Hmm.
bana do. Okay. Complex sentence, which we call in grammar complex sentence. We can create. Last but not the
Like, ma'am,
least,
after taking COVID vaccination, COVID vaccination, I was giddy.
I was feeling giddy. Yes, yes. Now this is a complex sentence. That is something that I wanted to know. Okay. Okay. Enough for today. Try to frame these sentences, and tomorrow will be fine. Not tomorrow, from Monday. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good
Bye.
day.
Take care. You
Thank you, ma'am.
too. Bye.